1, 2, 3.
This is our forever love!
Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan. Dapat dalawa
This is our forever love!
kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Oh, oh, oh.
Yan.
Kahit dalawa pa.
Mariel, I still remember the first time we met at work. So syempre, yung mga unang empleyado sa akin dumadaan para ma-encode sa system. So I don't know what it was about that moment, but I found myself staring at you. Oo, nagandahan ako sa iyo, syempre. Pero hanggang dun lang muna.
Happy and excited for what's to come. Come to you and COME. Oscar, a start was not easy. But I'm so glad we fought for it. Because look at us now. Naalala ko pa nung biking, you would bike more than 16 kilometers back and forth para lang magkita tayo. And since then, your efforts remain consistent. When we first arrived in Australia, I felt lost and scared. I questioned if we were wrong to dream this big. I realized I have not lost anything. I gained everything.
To my sister, I've seen how much you fought for this love, how you held on and worked through challenges just to keep your relationship strong. That alone shows how deeply you love Oscar.
There's not much to say, but I wanted you to know that I'm so grateful to have a father like you. I am so proud of you for everything that you do for me. I love and appreciate you so much. There was always something or a part of me that always hoped that someday he would meet someone who loved as much as he do. And then came Maria. Coming into our lives was probably the best blessing you gave Daddy and me.
Excited na ako makita ka, be. So, yun, kinakabahan ako, sorry. So, I love you. See you later.
Thank you for moving across the world with me and for making sure I never had to face the unknown alone. I knew I chose a good and kind man to lead a family. Yung looks ako na bahala. As I commit myself to you, I also commit my life to Pia.
Kaya Mariel, I want to say thank you for loving me as I am, for accepting me, even the parts of me I once thought were hard to understand. You never judged me or let my past define me. At kapag dumating na yung araw, hindi ka na makalakad, hahawakan kita at aakayin, hanggang sa huling hakbang na kaya ko.
As we welcome Mr. and Mrs. Mariel.
Well, siyempre, bilang magulang at bilang Pilipino, kulturo naman natin yan. Sabi ko, basta pangako mo, pagbalik yun dito, dalawa pa rin kayo. Siguro naman naunawaan yung sinabi ko. At ginawa naman niya nung umuwi siya. At ito ngayon, sana pag uwi niyo sa Pilipinas, marami naman kayo. Congratulations.
Ang wish ko po sa mag-asawa, sana po sila ay magmahalan, walang awayan. Sa bagay po, hindi naman mawawala yung kaunting tampuhan, pero kailangan talaga mag-unawaan.
May your journey as husband and wife be filled with love,
harmony, and everlasting love. Hi guys! So first hour pa lang, pagod na tayo. Pero hindi mauubos ang energy na to.
Ngayon lang to. Kaya
Nag-electrolytes tayo. Kaya natin to.
So today I promise you this. I will stand by you through the good days and the bad ones. To laugh with you, dream with you, and face everything together. With everything I am, I give you my heart for all the days ahead. I told you we'd get here, and I always knew my heart got one thing right. You look like the rest of my life. I love you, Mariel, now and forevermore.
Kung ako ay magiging pusa na may 9 na buhay, idodonate ko sa iyo ang 8. But in every of those lives, hahanapin kita at pipiliin kita araw-araw. Hindi pa laging masaya, hindi pa laging madali, pero pangako, ikaw at ako magkatuwang hanggang dulo. Mahal kita, asawa ko.
We've made a special promise to each other and symbolised it by joining hands, taking vows and exchanging rings. It is therefore my great pleasure to declare you husband and wife. Oscar, you may kiss your bride.